Hello everybody and welcome to episode 3 of Java tutorial. When we left off, we were learning about variables, but now we are going to learn how to make a simple calculator of Java. This might be a little advanced for some new beginners, but I mean, it's just a start. So if you don't really get it, just follow along and you'll get it as we go. So let's start. So first of all, we have to import this class. It's called import, and you have to import java.util.scanner. What the scanner does is it scans keys that you type off your keyboard. So let's go ahead and start the scanner process. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and delete this for this, because we don't need it. Now, let's just go to do system out so we can welcome the calculator. Okay, now we did that, and now we can go ahead and we can type in welcome to my calculator. Alright, there. So we'll just do addition only because we're only going to do addition. So addition only. And then now, I explained this to you in the time before that tutorial. So let's go ahead and start. So first of all, for this, we're going to need a double command. Now let's go ahead and do first num, second num, and answer. Alright, now, so technically this creates a variable, an empty variable is called fnum, second num, or snum, or answer. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to do system.out.println. Then we're going to do, here, let me think. Alright, okay. Enter first number. Once that's done, this will tell you to enter your first number. You will enter it, and it will go into this first variable. So now what you're going to do is you're going to do... Here, actually, I didn't create the scanner yet. So, scanner, we'll just call this scanner scan. And then, actually, we'll call it cal. And it will equal to a new scanner. What this technically does is you name a scanner called cal, and it's equal to a new scanner. Well, I kind of combined that, but alright, it doesn't really matter. Scanner. Alright, so let me take this out. Alright, there. Okay, so now in here you gotta do system in, because it has to be in the process. So now when you enter your first number, you will enter it and then it will store an fnum. So fnum equals cal.next double. There, but now we gotta capitalize this. Alright, so what this is technically saying is fnumber, or first number, whatever, equals cal, which is the number that we typed in. Like, see, okay, the scanner is called cal. So we typed in a number and it put that variable in cal. Now fnum is equal to cal, which it takes the value from cal and takes it to a next double. And the next double is called second number. So now, let's go ahead and do system.out.println. Enter second number. Now with this, you don't need to put anything into brackets because it's just go to next double. It's not any process of elimination or anything like that. So now once that's on, you should do the same thing. Fnum equals cal.next double. Now like I said, what this does, it stores, it takes from the cal value, what we just typed in, stores it in second number, and then brings you to the next double, which is answer. So now what you gotta do, wait, where's answer? Yeah, right here. Now what you gotta do is you got to, gotta go right here, you gotta do answer equals first num plus second num. Alright, now once that's done, so, fnum plus, f number, okay, first number plus second number equals answer. So it stores these two variables into answer. So it adds these two variables or numbers together that you type in, and it stores in the answer. And now all you got to do, like I told you last episode, if you have a variable, you can go ahead and just type in the variable name and it'll print it out. So we can go ahead and do it right here. We can go right here and do answer. And there. So now it will print out the answer variable right here. That's it for this tutorial, guys. If you have any questions, just ask. And yeah, like I said, I can't run it. I don't have Eclipse. It's not working. I'll just show you the error right now. See, I run this, click Eclipse. I'll run, see? And this error will pop up right here in a second. See? This error. If you guys know how to fix this, please leave in the comments below. And thank you, and I'll see you next episode.